Since I started my YouTube channel in 2021, I have posted more than 150 long-form videos, and let's be honest, you haven't seen them all. I have picked 8 underrated videos that will help you get better in your gouache painting, from layering to muddy colors to tape to, well, you have to look to see what's coming next. And to make it easy for you, I made a playlist that you can binge watch. It's linked in the description under this video. Let's dive in. In this first video, I talk about why it's important that you erase your drawing, yes, the drawing you just did, before gouache painting. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but believe me, it's very, very important that you do that before committing to an actual painting. The second video is about tapes. I have tried a lot of different tapes and also a lot of different papers, and I give you my conclusion to what is the best tape that you could use for your gouache painting if you want to have those crisp, sharp white edges that are so satisfying. I've made several videos about adding mediums to gouache, but I think the very best one is colored pencils, and in this video I show you all the different things you can achieve when adding colored pencils on top of gouache. It can be really helpful to help you fix things you don't like. I have another video about gouache consistency that is very successful, so it's not in this list, but this one is talking about milk consistency, and maybe this will be helpful for you if you have trouble with your gouache consistency, if you have trouble pushing the paint, pulling the paint on the paper, getting sharp details. And yeah, I show everything between water, milk and cream consistency in this video. I love this one. I don't know why this one had no traction at all, but these are several tips to help you save your gouache paint. I mean by that, we all know that gouache can be pretty expensive and that it's very difficult to squeeze the exact amount of paint that you need for your painting. So in this video, I give you different options to not waste your gouache paint, which is a way of saving money because you don't need to buy more gouache paint. This one is all about fixing the mistakes you can make with gouache. Maybe you have placed, let's say, the tail of the cat in a position that you don't like and you want to change the shape of the tail. But this is a huge work because you have to remove the first tail. And when it's black on white or on a light color, it can seem difficult, but it's not really. In this video, I show you exactly how to do it and to get the final painting that you really want to have. In this video, I'm painting the same bird in 2 ways, and I show you the do's and don'ts about layering and how to avoid getting muddy colors, because this is not what you want. If you apply white on top of blue, you want to have white, not a light blue. And in this video, I show everything step by step, how to avoid muddy colors and how to get these fresh colors that you want with gouache. And finally, this is a small exercise, which is painting an apple. And after you have painted it, I will show you 3 levels of gouache painting. And it can be interesting for you to assess your gouache level so you know what you need to learn to go further. If you want to go further, of course, maybe you are happy with the way you paint, and that's completely valid. No problems with that. All right, these were my 8 hidden gems in my YouTube channel that you may have missed. And if you want to get more gouache painting, more gouache tips, more gouache guidance, more gouache tutorials, you can join my membership. My gouache membership, so many gouache in this phrase, that I link in the description under the video. Let me know in comments. Did you watch them all? I'm curious because some of you are really watching every video I release, and I thank you for that. This is why I make videos, so you can watch them and learn something and be happy when you watch them and maybe have fun while you watch them. And let's not talk about my head in the previous videos, okay? No comment about that. And if you need it, the playlist is right here.